be ready to be dazzled and otherwise befuddled as Ben and Turner perform the Dead Parrot sketch.
You guys hear me?
Can you hear me?
How about now? Is it good?
Hello, my name is Ben Nadler,
And I am Turner Queen.
and we will be performing
The Dead Parrot sketch.
from Monty Python.
Hello, I wish to register a complaint. Hello, miss.
What do you mean, miss?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have a cold. I wish to register a complaint.
Sorry, we're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. He's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, he's resting.
Look, mate, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead. He's resting. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue. Ain't it nice? Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't add it into it. He's stone dead.
No. He's resting.
All right, he's resting. I'll wake him up. Hello, Mr. Parrot. I've got a nice fresh cuttlefish for you to show.
Oh, there, blue.
No, he didn't. That was in the cage.
Oh, I never.
Yes, you did.
Never did it.
Hello, everybody. Testing. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. That's what I call a dead parrot.
No, he's stunned.
Stunned.
Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. The Norwegian blue stuns him, Major.
Now look, mate. I've definitely had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it not half an hour ago, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to being tired and shagged out after a prolonged squawk.
Well, he's probably pining for the fjords.
Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Why did he fall flat on his back the moment I got him home?
Well, the Norwegian blue prefers keeping on its back. Remarkable bird and its quiet, lovely plumage.
This bird is not pining. He's passed on. This parrot is no more. He has ceased to be. He's expired and gone to meet his maker. He's a stiff, bereft of life. He rests in peace. If you had a net, if you ever taped him to the perch, he'd be pushing up the daisies. His metabolic processes are now history. He's a stiff, bereft of life. He's shuffled off his mortal coil, run down the curtain, and joined the bleeding choir, invisible. This is an ex-parrot.
Well, I'll go place for you. Sorry, Squire. Well, why not parrots? I just don't want to run back around that shop.
See a picture.
What a slug.
Raise and talk.
Not really.
Well, then it's hardly a bloody replacement now, is it?
Look, if it isn't my brother involved, he'll replace it for you.
Oh, Meg. Very well.
No, wait, that's
That's Tennessee rail for you. I would like to complain, Mr. British Railways person.
I don't have to do this job now.
I beg your pardon.
I'm a qualified brain surgeon. I just have this job because I like being my own boss.
I'm sorry, but this is irrelevant.
Oh, yeah. It's not easy to pad these Python files out to 150 lines, you know.
Yeah. Well, I wish to complain. I got on the Bolton train was deposited here in Ipswich.
No, Mrs. Bolton.
Pet shop man's brother was mine.
Oh, you can't blame British Rail for that.
In that case, I shall return to the pet shop. I understand this is Bolton.
Yes?
You told me it was Ipswich.
It was a pun?
A pie!
No, not a pun. What's that thing that spells the same backwards as forwards?
Palindrome?
Yes, that's it!
It's not a palindrome. Palindrome for Bolton would be knuckle. That doesn't work. What do you want? I'm not prepared to pursue my line of inquiry any longer, as I find this is becoming too silly.
Wait! We've got in the audience. Thank you.